Alright guys, so I'm going to finish the ending of this video because the last time I was trying to finish it, the stupid thing cut off on me. As you all know, I made a pink cake for Wave a Lily Rose. I baked it with the Pillsbury, cake mix and frosting, and the outside is pink, but what you all don't know, besides her sticking her fingers in it, and me serving her a cake, which I will show you, but I'm going to have to bring the high chair across the room because my phone is on here charging because, well, the battery died. But here it is. As you guys can see, I'm not the best baker in the world. I'm not, Martha Stewart living. Fuck, no one's Martha Stewart. But the inside is also pink. And the flavor is strawberry. And Wava absolutely adores it. As you guys can see, you can see the freaking knife strokes. It's nice when you bake a cake if you can't see them and it's, smooth like that and not all fucking bumpy with ridges. I tried the best I could, but the cake was super, super moist. And so it would not come out more smoother than that. I did the sides. Like I said, you guys, I am not the best baker in the world. But I did it. It's a hit. Everyone loves it. And it tastes good. And there's always room for improvement. So, there you go. But it's pink. And, yeah. Wava, sit down. Eat your cake. She's eating her cake, but now she's decided she wants to get out, watch Care Bears, and, eat. But she needs to eat in her high chair. So, yeah. But I also, you're wondering why I did the sides, because I personally think if the cake's not iced on the side, you guys, it looks ugly. So that's why the sides are iced. But here it is. And this is where it was when I was taking off before the video cut off. Here, we'll zoom in. You can see it. It's a beautiful color. Wava, you need to stay seated, babe. But I also brought it near here because, well, it's the most light. But there it is. Absolutely love it. And it tastes really, really good. So, yeah. And I wiped off the sides so it would look nicer. So, yeah. But I'm going to put this down for a second. I'm going to put this back in the fridge where it belongs so everybody else can slice themselves a piece and get a piece. But I'll be right back.
Back in 1984, deep in the Grand Canyon.
Okay, wait. Sit down.
It was an original
Sit
idea
down.
with universal appeal. Because in our sandals,
No, aren't you going to eat more?
There's no limit to the places we can go. Because original and universal is not just a sandal. It's a way of being.
Aren't you going to
Stay
eat more?
true to yourself while realizing you're part of something much bigger. Original sets us apart. Universal.
Aren't you going to eat more of it? Aren't you going to eat more cake? Ow! Okay guys, so Wava's decided she's had enough cake. If the video hadn't the cutout, I would have showed you some of her eating the cake. But unfortunately, you guys, the video cut out. Now here she is in the living room. And we're watching. Surprise, you guys, Care Bears. So, yeah, it's very exciting. And I'm having a Diet Pepsi, my favorite drink. And it's raining. Surprise, surprise. As you guys know, it was snowing a couple days ago. The snow's fully gone now, and it's just rain. So, yeah, and I'm sitting by the window. My favorite spot in the house. Here's Wave a Lily Rose.
I love.
Yeah, with a little bit of cake on her face and her hair up in pigtails. So, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be in the video. I'm just talking in the video, Wave. And you're not having my soda either. You had your cake and your milk. No soda.
I got that.
No soda.
I got that.
She wants everything I have and thinks everything I have is hers. She's at that age. So, yeah. It's all, you know. It's all good. Kitchen lights on. Wave up. Careful. And now she's finding a new hiding place. She's like, my hiding place. And watching her Care Bears. And now she's going to go do something else and be up to something else. So, yeah. Very, very exciting. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this videos. And I hope you all have a wonderful week. And, yeah. Had fun talking with you. Now I have to go because I have to go get some cleaning and stuff done. And I have to go and check the mail and get some grocery shopping done. So I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.